What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. I bought another car in Japan. So as you can see right here, we have a 1995 Nissan Skyline R33 GT-R marked production. So this car is actually going to make its way back to the United States in a couple months. It's going to be imported into the States and enjoy its life there. But in the meantime, what we're going to do is we're at Kimono Tire. We're going to get shocking on the car. So for those that don't know, to drive your car in Japan, you have to have it legally roadworthy. So to do that, you have to do shocking testing. I'm not going to get into all that right now in this video, maybe in the next, but Ron Celestine has a fantastic article on Speed Hunters about that, so I'll put a link in the description if you want to know what shocking is. Read that article. Anyways, so we have here is a 95 GT-R in immaculate condition. I'd say it's about 99% OEM. I'll show you the 1% that's changed when we take a tour, when I show you a tour of the car, essentially. But yeah, super clean car. So let me show you around, I guess.
Okay, so taking a look at the GT-R here, I'll give a quick walkthrough of it. First and foremost, kilometers, right? So we got 58,965 on the clock. That will go up just a bit because I plan on driving it. See if we can turn this off here, yeah? So that'll go up just a little bit because it's getting shotgun. I'm going to drive it around a little bit. I have some plans for the car, some subtle modifications, nothing too crazy because it's so clean that I don't really want to mess anything up or change too much. But looking at the interior, easily probably a 9 out of 10 on the interior. Everything is OEM factory specs, seats, rear seats, everything is super clean, well taken care of, well managed. Previously I'd mentioned this car is like 99% OEM. That 1% is the steering wheel. So this is a Momo race spec. I'm not actually sure what this, it says race right there, but it's some type of Momo. Has some signs of wear. Might change that with something I find at Up Garage, but I'm not sure. I plan on taking this car to the NISMO Omori Factory, and I want to get some new floor mats, some winkers, blinkers, some other subtle modifications from NISMO. If we check the gas cap out, this is pretty neat. Not super necessary, but NISMO nonetheless. So the debate that I'm having now is, do I want to swap in the Tommy Kaira Recaro SR3s out of my 34? If I can find seat rails at a decent cost, I might do that. But as is, the 33 GT-R seats are super comfortable and they're in great shape. So I might, or I might not. Okay, peeking at the engine here. So the car, like I showed you before, just shy of 60,000 kilometers, which I think is like 39,000 miles. Full OEM spec, except for the up pipe, I believe. I think the up pipe is the only thing that's been changed. The full exhaust back is OEM as well. You have signs of wear on the manifold, but that's pretty typical on these engines, so it's nothing for a cause of concern. The only thing that I plan on doing maintenance-wise, obviously an oil change. I want to get new spark plugs because this car, I don't know when they were changed last. I can't imagine they're bad. It drives great, but just, safety precautions, maintenance, why not? But engine looks super clean, actually. Overall, the body, the exterior of the car, I'd probably say is like an 8. It has some minor signs of wear and tear on the paint. It's nothing major. It'll probably more than likely buff out. But you have some mild rock chippage here and there. But I mean, the car is 25 years old, right? So it's been driven. Let me see if we can take a peek underneath here. I don't know if this is going to show, but this car is probably going to need new tires to pass shotgun. The tire tread on this isn't that bad, but I don't think it's up to spec to pass the testing, so it'll probably get some new tires on here. While it's getting new tires, it'll probably go on that lift over there, and while it's on the lift, I'll ask if I can take a under the chassis video, just so I can show you if there's any rust. I don't see any, but showing you a video is going to prove to me and you how clean this car is. So overall, huge shout out to Kimura Tire for letting me film here and taking care of the car. Super rad guy. If you're ever in the area, stop by, say hello. He doesn't speak English, but Google translates a thing. So there we have it. Like I said, this car is going to sit here for about a week. It's going to get shocking. After it gets shocking in plates, we're going to drive it around. We're going to go to Yokohama for the NISMO Omori Factory, and then we're going to go to a few other places and take more video and pictures of the car and show you. So stay tuned for the next episode of this. Also stay tuned for the FD updates. The FD is still sitting in paint, but I just got a call the other day that it's just in the just ready for primer, basically. So once it gets primer, then it'll get painted. Once it gets painted, it'll come here, has some new wheels and tires for the FD, and we'll do some FD updates as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.